farmers market Friday, Saturday.
Oh, ganiha. Oo na.
Nada farmers market 4 to 8 p.m.
Good evening. We just got here in Mecalon Lake Campground. It's already 12 p.m. na di?
Is it 12?
I think 12 midnight.
Pwede na tamatog?
Yeah, we just got here. So we're just setting up. We'll see you tomorrow. They are busy attaching the lights, fixing the lights. There's a fire pit. Guys, this is our kalan here. In Canada, we get a very small one. Is that 5 kilos, de? 2 kilos?
5 pounds.
5 pounds?
I
And
think.
this is our barbecue, our grill. That's our grill. It's very brand new. They're setting it up now. Our neighbors are on the other side. And this is us. Tara!
Hala.
Kaon na niya. Kaon na niya.
Di anad na ni.
Lagi, lagi. Gawa?
Anad na ni siya sa kampo.
Sneaky squirrel, ah. That's my apple. Kabalo po, kabalo. Rice.
Pikas yan. Oh.
Just rice. And we have
Naman.
chicken and... Saan naman?
Hi, chicken. Kani?
Di, ito. And eggs for breakfast. And ang palaya, maabri ito ang palaya man.
Oh, nara.
For making
Palaya, oh.
Coffee.
Kaya ng palaya. Sinjijo ning talong. Ah, jijo ay.
Kuliya deh. Hijau na.
Wala pa! Lakaw, tama. Ito tayo ilalar, mama. Tara. We are going to the lake. That's the lake. Mecalon Lake. This is not the beach front, but there's a trail. Oh, there's a little beach here. Look. Oh wow, it's nice. It's 8:30 in the morning.
Mas man unya nagtaog ma. Video ko siya.
Yeah. Mangihi na sa diya. Matanaw, Joseph, mangihi siya mo.
Ha? Ni ka. Jing? Lo. Ni boss niya na.
We are hiking. This is just a short hike from the lake. We are hiking back to our campsite. It's a beautiful morning, guys. The weather forecast is saying that it will rain this afternoon at around 5 p.m. for about 40% probability of precipitation. Mecalon is a very nice place. Mecalon has always the campsite have dumping stations and a very nice brand new flushing toilet and shower, and it has heated hot water. There's the garbage. We're almost to our site. And then this is our site over here. This is Ella! Micah! Son of a... Hi, we're hiking in the twigs. In the swamp. This is Mrs. B, guys. Her name is Mrs. B. This is for my vlog, Mrs. B. The YouTube. Is it lapok? Ikaw ra ba kay dry ni mo? Oh.
Dili sila. Dili sila sa kwan.
Lapok.
Sila sa masa. Very good, very good.
Wow.
Lian, go back! You need to ask your parents to be with you. No one will take care of you here.
Nandyan si ano, Onog. Si Emil.
Kaya lang
Ay,
nakabike
nako,
siya,
si
madulas.
Lian.
Pwede. Madulas.
I-offer yun ka. Magpalit na ganit siya. Puti ba kayo nito sa una? Nindot mo dahil siya anion?
Hindi na. Di ba sa una-una na ni tubig? Ano mo? Ang linaw. Araw, dalan sa balik na sila.
Dili.
Kana bang kasunod?
Oo. Di, dool naman po. Diretso na sila.
Ano pa ginagawa?
Wala, ikaw ra permi di starting.
Ay, iba, ito na po sa uwan. Ang speaker,
Yeah.
yun yung president sa Thailand.
Yeah.
Juan man di ay siya, director di ay siya sa una sa hospital na yun yun sa Thailand. Itong pag-tsunami sa Thailand daw ko lang. Pero miro ko no, naana ang tubig dito tsunami. Ang mga isda, lukso-lukso. Doon ko sa mga tao ko, siyempre isda. Balik din sa auto. Pag ikatulo ko no kay 10 feet or something na ang kusog-kusog. Naghan ang mga matay mo niya. There's famine.
Gigi. Abante.
Show to the video. Show to the video.
Oh, ladybug. Hi.
You love?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Ladybugs are nice.
Oh, pues.
This is the hike. We have to walk on this side, guys, because on that side is swamp. We'll get our shoes and feet wet, and my shoes is halfway wet already, so I have to walk on this side. They are already over there. We are just going to the day use area to have our activity there. Lots of activity. But if you wanna use the road, there's a proper road, paved road for this. But today, we just want to explore. Just explore so that we can go to the beach. Up. There's a park here. Daghan kay yaw-yaw. Daghan kay complain.
Chicken, no place to put it. No. Those. Look how this is. Bakit may turong dyan?
Lerma, I'm here. Andy, I'm here. I need to video it. Wow.
Video'y kumukuha ko siya.
Kuha dyan ako. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you sa blessings. Thank you.
Dinala ni Mark si Papa.
Nila ka na si Mark?
Yung ko kay tatay. Isa-isa na no kay tatay. Ako niya si midnight pa. Tatlo.
Nakain na.
Sige, kain. Sige.
Alangan naman. Kain din sila. Si nanay nga, kaliwaan niyo. Ay, ang sarap naman ang buhay. Saan ka pa?
Sikreto. Mahal ang bisikleta. Asa? Big bike ko siya. Big bike mo na. Mahal ang big bike. Slip.
Ay, nagkuhan ka pe? Nag-video ka?
Uy, nanagid siya eh. Kuan ka ni official nga tusok. Dili nagid siya kuan. Official nagid siya nga tusok.
Sanay? Oh, karyoka? Ba, sa akong karyoka. Walang kit na bula-bulawan ng mura. Ay, oo, to.
It's on fire now!
No.
Usa ayo siya
Sila ano hindi na.
Breakfast before we go.
Mahaw daw tag motor ko kasaba naman siguro to.
Oh, dugay kay kuan, dugay kay mo kang.
Kay mo dayon.